How to fix Google Meet screen share. Hey everybody, in this video, I'll show you how to fix Google Meet screen share. To start this tutorial, open and locate your search bar over at your PC. And then look for Google Chrome. In here, right-click and then run as an administrator. Once you're there, head on over to Google Chrome this time and then click on the three dots on the upper right. The next step is to click on History. A window will appear. You can also use the shortcut Ctrl+H. When you do that, you will now be redirected to your histories. And then you will need to clear your browsing data by clicking on this icon over here on the left. Then go to Privacy and Security this time and then click on All Time. Go ahead and click on the button that says Clear Data. Make sure everything from these three boxes are already checked. Go ahead and follow the settings on my screen. Then click the button that says Clear Data. Once done cleaning your data, close the pop-up and then click on Reset and Cleanup. In here, click on the first option, Restore Settings to their original defaults. Just click on it and then go ahead and click on the Reset Settings button. Just tap on it. Once you're done, you can now close the pop-up. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Hopefully you got some value in this one. And as always, leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.